Okay guys, this is Uno signing in again in YouTube. Actually, I made a part 2 of my Uno tutorial past this VIP locker part 2. So this is a part 2. I just want to say something before this thing said. So I made a part 2, okay? As you know, I already locked Maria Salinas 1989, okay? Now I will use Y Supra's ID unlocker. Okay. I will copy this one. Okay. Copy. Put in there and then put in the password, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then execute. Okay. Now I will type in the captcha 76 HD 5G DG. What I'm trying to point in this one is even Y Supra's account unlocker cannot unlock my VIP 24/7 locker. Okay, the fastest ID locker I'd ever had. Okay, so execute. As you can see, it says your account ID has been unlocked. Now let's see. Okay, let's see. Account manager, so I will type in this one and put in the password and let's see what happens. Okay, it's still unavailable. You can add it, right? Yeah, see, even if it is being unlocked by Y Supra's account unlocker, it's still locked. So what's my point? I'm just telling you that this ID locker is so fast, so good, that even Y Supra's ID unlocker cannot unlock the ID that has been locked by these tools. Okay, so this is Uno signing out in YouTube, and I hope you guys you do like my tutorial. And if you do not like my tutorial, then same goes, I cannot please everybody. So this is Uno signing out in YouTube, and I love you guys, and do hope you subscribe to my YouTube video. I love you guys. I love you. Chup chup. Mwah. Bye guys. Babu. Bye guys.